And your headline should never be the title of your program. That's a big mistake that I see people make is, on the sales page, the whole, say the hero image, that top image on the page before you scroll will be just like their picture and the title of their program. But that doesn't, unless you're like Amy Porterfield, where people know you and know your offers, it usually is not productive to do that because they don't know you yet and they don't know your offer. So you have to hit right on their pain point and what it is they want, their aspiration within the headline and subheadline. So don't waste the real estate above the fold. So before you need to scroll, that's what's above the fold on a page. Don't waste that space to say like, "Hey, I'm Dawn," or anything like that. Like it's all about them. What pain are they running from and what do they want? And that is what you've got to nail with your headline and your subheadline at the top.